Woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth unless you hear me talking about finance.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with a really cute spring cut crease, so make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch. So to prime my eyelid, I'm using the Millennium concealer in the number 155. It's called Cool Sand. So how's quarantine life, y'all? I'm pretty sure y'all noticed that I'm not in my usual setting, and that's because I'm with my boyfriend and I've been here for like the past week. And y'all, I don't know how, but I went off and I left my primer and my moisturizer, so I've just been finessing it with an eye cream. But y'all, there's so many products that I didn't bring, and I don't know how I ended up leaving them. Like, I don't have any glitter. I had to finesse this, which y'all will see later in the tutorial. But y'all, I'm hurt. Every time I'm supposed to be saying Jaclyn Hill, I always end up saying Jackie for some reason. But I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm taking the shade No Joke, which is the yellow from this palette. And I'm using the E17 to pack that right there. Yeah, I'm just falling apart. I had my nails done, but I just ended up taking them all off because I had lost 2 already, and my hair was getting stuck in them, and I'm a mess right now. Back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking the shade Feeling Myself, which is this orange. I'm gonna pack that right beside where I put the yellow. And then the last color from this palette is going to be Tipsy Girl. This pink shade right here. And y'all gonna see me take an M506 and go back into the yellow and orange just to blend them out. This actually looks like my first look I did that blew up on YouTube. Oh my god, I almost kicked y'all over. Something I learned about yellow eyeshadow is you have to apply it as if it were like a setting powder, like a banana setting powder, because if you don't apply it even to your face will get patchy. So it's the same thing with your lid. I realized that with this eye. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's kind of a little patchy over there, and it just dawned on me that it's just like a banana powder. I mean, it's not, but y'all get what I'm saying. You apply it the same way with a brush, but it has to be even layered, because if not, like I said, it'll get really patchy. So I went off and left my my foundation that I usually use to cut my crease. So I'm gonna just use the Shape Tape. This one is Tan Deep Sand. It's a 47S. And yeah, I'm slowly starting to like this concealer. I don't know what it is. I think it's because it's a little too watery for me. I prefer thicker concealers. But yeah. So this cut is a little different. I think it's because I brought it out some more over here by the tear duct, but yeah, this works. It looks like this one, so that's all that matters. So the green shade is coming from the 35 OM, this shimmery green up here at the top. Like, do y'all see what I be going through? I don't even know how I just did it. So this eyeshadow is very pigmented. It picks up very well. It's really creamy. So the next shade is coming from the 35B palette. I'm using the shimmery gold or yellow. And because this one is not as pigmented, I'm going to take a highlighter. It's just a gold shimmery highlighter. Well, of course it's shimmery, but a gold highlighter. I mean, it's pigmented, but it shows more white than it does yellow. So that's why I'm using the highlighter. Well, the next shade is also from the 35 OM, and I'm using the shimmery orange. It's really killing me because I had pigments, like glitter pigments, in all of these colors, and they're at home. But this just proves that you can really work with what you have. Like, you don't have to have like all the extra stuff. Our last color, also from the 35 OM. Oh, why I keep calling it M? That's why it's 3503. I don't know what I said earlier. But I'm taking this shade right here, and that's going to be the last color. And then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and blend this pink. I'm gonna show you how to finesse this glitter. For the glitter, since I don't have any with me, like I was telling you earlier, this is the 35i, the Ice Fantasy palette. This is like a little, I guess, pressed glitter. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna line my crease with my clear lash glue, my duo lash glue, and I'm just gonna take that and pack it on top. But I'm using like a small eyeliner brush, that way it's even. And that is how I finesse the glitter liner. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be right back. The blue shade came from the 35B palette. Y'all, these are the only 4 palettes I brought with me. Like, literally the only 4. But I grabbed the 35B because it literally never disappoints. It has almost every color in it that I ever used. I really wish they'd still bring it back, honestly, because it's better than the James Charles palette, and it was cheaper and it was more pigmented. But that's just my opinion. But taking the blue from over here, and I'm going to smoke that out in my waterline. And I'm just gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. By the way, y'all, this is a brush I blended my contour with. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.